In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to change refresh rate in Windows 11 and how we can do it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is for the best performance and for the best refresh rate, this is what you have to do. The first one is all about we have to go over here, go to the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to click on the system. Now from here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the display. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to navigate to the advanced display over here. And right now you can see there is an option called choose refresh rate. So you have to, if you have dual monitors, select the monitor that you wanted to set. For me, I'm having only one, and go to the choose a refresh rate here. As you can see, you have to set this to maximum rate here. So most probably it might be on 60 Hz or something. So what I'm saying is for the best performance, you have to keep this on the maximum value. That is over here 144 Hz, and this is what you have to set. Next one is all about what you need to do is after this, most probably you can just go over here. If you have NVIDIA control panel or something, just go over here to the show more options. And if you have NVIDIA control panel, you can just search here for NVIDIA control panel. Now within the NVIDIA control panel, it is also possible to set the display refresh rate. That is also possible. You can set it over there as well. So these are the steps when it comes to how to change the refresh rate on a Windows 11. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.